In today's video, I show you how to fix you are not signed into a profile in COD MW3. For this, you can consider these steps. Update Microsoft Store. Call of Duty MW3 releases updates time to time, and if your Microsoft Store and related services such as Gamebar gaming services are up to date, there may be a version compatibility issues which does not let you launch the game. So make sure to update your Microsoft Store, gaming services as well as Xboxgamebar. To update, launch the Microsoft Store, then click on the library option. In library menu, click the update all option if available in the top right corner of the interface. After updating all the services, relaunch the COD MW3 to fix you are not signed into a profile error. In the second option, relogin Xbox. If you have an issue with your system, the first step you should take to fix restart your system. So does with Xboxgamebar. If you are getting the error you are not signed into a profile on Xbox as per thumb rule. Re-login into your Xbox account. Launch your Xbox, click on your profile icon and choose the option sign out. After signing out, restart your PC and then relaunch Xbox. Click on the top left corner to again sign in to your Xbox account. Sometimes there is a glitch in the app which does not let to play games, and simple signing out and signing in will fix this issue. Now relaunch the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 game to resolve the issue. Option number 3. Sign in using the Microsoft Store email. If your Xbox account and Game Store account are not the same, you will be encountered with the same error. So in order to fix, you must log in with the same email ID you used to log in your Microsoft Store. To do so, launch your Xbox app and click on your profile icon. Then click on the option settings. Under account, choose the option change my Microsoft Store account. Then follow the on-screen instructions to change your Microsoft Store account. Once you are logged in with the same Microsoft Store email ID, you are ready to launch the game. Click on the play option to launch COD MW3 and your issue regarding the profile not signed in will be completely fixed. In the last, if the issue is not solved, then simply contact to the customer support of COD MW3. They will solve your problem. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.